Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we will finally be getting some 0 to 60 times with Dragy in the 2022 Audi R8 Performance Quattro. Now, in my RS5 Dragy video, I had a lot of questions about density altitude. So I'm gonna go ahead and provide that information for you now. It is a hot 91 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure is 29.89 inches of mercury with a dew point of 66 degrees Fahrenheit. When I plug that into a density altitude calculator, we're looking at 2,358.6 feet or 718.9 meters for you, those of you across the pond. Now, I have no idea what that information means, but I do know density altitude affects naturally aspirated engines like the V10 and that R8 more so than a turbocharged engine. So do with that information what you will. Let's go ahead and check out the Dragy setup. I have Dragy mounted in the windshield right here using a 67 design suction cup and arm. We will be filming using the Dragy app right here. However, this mount is not super stable, so we will also be filming with a GoPro in the back. Also tagging along is my R8's R8, which will help keep us out of trouble. All right, let's go ahead and put some runs down. All right, first take, no launch control. Alright, second run, we're using launch control in dynamic mode. Run 3, launch control, dynamic mode. Alright, run number 4 in performance mode, so I will have to shift manually. Alright, run number 5, I believe, performance mode with manual shifting. I believe my previous launch in performance mode was in snow mode. So perhaps we'll get a better run this time. .05 seconds. Performance mode with manual shifting. .12 seconds. Performance mode, manual shift. Performance mode, manual shifting. .17. 13th run, performance mode, manual shifting. with dynamic mode. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You can see my best run here, 3.05 seconds to 60. This was achieved using launch control and performance mode. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.